Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed to the brim, overwhelmed, depressed, anxious, full of worry, disappointed in yourself, ashamed, guilty, tired, hungry, perhaps even joyful, perhaps even a mix of a few of those. Know that you're not alone, that I certainly can relate, and that I bet you millions, if not billions of people across the globe can relate. That being said, we're going to take some deep breaths. See if we can release some of our pain and anxiety and come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position, putting distractions to the side, becoming more aware of your posture. Extending your spine so that you can be upright. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, allowing your jaw to be relaxed, your lips, your forehead. Closing your eyes, bringing the attention inwards. Observing how you feel in this moment. Witnessing and welcoming your energy, your thoughts, any sensations and tensions in the mind, in the body, in the heart. You're safe to close the eyes, looking inside. Putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhaling, letting go of the past mistakes. Forgiving yourself as you breathe in. And exhale, letting go of fears. Coming back into love, or at the very least, some self-acceptance. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, full body, inhaling. And full body, exhaling, letting go. Softening your chest, softening your mind, opening your heart. I want you to visualize that your chest is literally opening. Feeling a warm energy starting to flow into the heart, melting away anxiety as you breathe in 3 times. Exhaling 3 times. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhaling. Exhale. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Posture, relaxing the shoulders, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, extending your spine, feeling your hands relaxed, your feet relaxed, feeling your jaw relaxed, feeling your forehead relaxed, relaxing your belly. Self-limiting thoughts, self-limiting beliefs. Feeling yourself expanding. Feeling your awareness becoming greater. mind has been wanting to think. Now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Letting go of thoughts now. Back into your posture, feeling rooted in your body, rooted in this moment. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive, that you live to see another day, and that it won't always be that way. Remembering our inevitable death can help with the pain that we feel day to day. To put things in its right perspective. Also remembering that the people we love won't always be around. So cherish them today. We never know. Embracing the uncertainty of life as you breathe in. Breathe out. Inhaling with every cell in your body. And exhale, releasing stress, letting go of negativity. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. Exhaling, letting go of insecurity. Nothing to do with our insecurities, with our guilt, with our shame, with our disappointment, but letting it go. That's all. Letting go of anxieties, letting go of lack and limitation, coming back into the abundance of what is already here. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Following my lead. Taking a breath in, holding, continuing to hold, and exhale. Relaxing the belly, feeling your heart relax, feeling your mind relaxed, feeling your anxiety relaxed. Remembering that pain is part of life and not really against us, but teaching us all kinds of things. The color for today is purple. The number is 222. And the animal is a fox. Becoming aware of your posture. Being aware of how you're sat, your surroundings, what you're gonna do next. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love on your path. Remembering the power of love is so creative. Fear is destructive. When we are overwhelmed by fears, by worry, it's destructive. It's not a creative energy. And when we can come back to love, we can create new opportunities for ourselves. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.